Hello guys. So this is a short video in English regarding the pod of immortality or the nectar of immortality, which is nothing but Amrita. So this is a famous Vedic story in the Hindu mythology or the Vedic mythology. The story goes like this, guys. So there are good guys called gods or the devatas, and these are the bad guys who are called as asuras. So these two guys, two groups, do they churn the milk ocean. So in the process of churning this milk ocean, many gifts come out of this milk ocean. So in this process, uh, poison comes out. When these two groups churn the milk ocean, the poison comes out, and this poison is drunk by the Lord Shiva. So after the whole poison thing or the whole corona thing which we saw, or the lockdown thing, everything, Amrita or the nectar of immortality comes out. So these are the good guys, and the Lord Shiva, he drinks the poison, and after all this continuously rigorous effort of churning the milk ocean for years, Amrita comes out. So Lord Vishnu comes, he himself comes and distributes this Amrita among these two groups. So here what happens is, the Lord Vishnu, he disguises in the form of woman. He comes with the pot of nectar, and the distribution had to happen. So what happens is, if at all these bad people or the asuras, if at all these people drink this immortal elixir, they rule the whole universe in a bad way, because they are going to become the biggest concern in the universe. So that is not going to happen, and the gods already had a plan, and the Vishnu wants to distribute this Amrita, the nectar of immortality, to only gods, but he refuses to distribute this pot of nectar to the asuras or the bad guys, or the elites, if we can say in that way. And uh, when he started to distribute the Amrita, one of the bad guy, his name is Swarabhanu. So this guy is Swarabhanu. So he sees that this lady or the Vishnu is distributing that immortal Amrita or the elixir to only gods. So this guy realizes that not even a single drop is going to, uh, we bad people are not even going to get a single drop of that pot of nectar. So what he does is, he goes and joins this bad good people. He secretly goes and sits there, and the sun and the moon god see this guy, Swarabhanu, and they complain to the Lord Vishnu, and they tell Lord, see, he is the bad guy and he came and sat in our line, and now he wants this Amrita. And Lord Vishnu, after seeing all this, he cuts the throat of this Swarabhanu, and as soon as he cut this, or he severed this guy's head with his flying discus, the head became Rahu, or the northern node of the moon, or the dragon's head, and the body became Ketu, or the southern node of the moon, or the dragon's tail. So this is the story. So right now, the main point here is, as we know, this guy was urging to get that immortal elixir. And right now, Rahu is in a star called Rudra. Rudra. So Rudra is a star which is ruled by this deity called Rudra. So that's why yesterday in Hyderabad, yesterday in the southern part of the India, we had a huge cyclone, huge heavy rains, heavy thunderstorms, heavy cyclone. So what this Rudra deity does is, he brings all the cyclones, all the thunders, all the natural calamities, so that the nature gets rejuvenated by itself. So this guys is one of the form of Lord Shiva, and his main job is to do, or to cause all the natural calamities so that the nature rejuvenates itself. He's doing good in a way. So right now we know this guy has drunk the poison in that churning of ocean, and yesterday we had a big cyclone, because since Rahu is in this star called Rudra. So Rudra is a nakshatra which is related to cyclones. And tomorrow, sorry, not tomorrow, on the 21st of May, On the 21st of this month, he is entering into a star called Mrigasira. So Mrigasira is a nakshatra or the constellation which is related to the nectar of immortality. So Amrita is in this constellation only. And this Mrigasira nakshatra is ruled by a god called Soma. See this guy. See this guy. He is the ruler of this constellation. So what he does is he's the guard or the ruler of the nectar or the pot of immortality. And we souls are going to drink that immortality elixir or the drink. And we all souls are going to enter true earth or Shambhala or the 5D consciousness or the 5D realms sooner. So this guy provides Soma. Soma is simply the immortal elixir. So this deity or this god of this constellation provides that thing, and the same story is again repeating. This guy Rahu again is getting a chance to drink the immortal juice. So here we need to understand that we all souls will drink that immortal nectar, and sooner we are all going to become gods. You know, after all these days struggling, after all these days in Matrix, sooner we are going to Pandora. Avatar lands or the 5D realms, giant trees, our true home, which is at North Pole. So and this guy Rahu is staying until December 26th. Sorry, the Jan 26th of the year 2021, and Jan 26th is the day when the constitution or the rules of India was made. So let's hope all the rules and all the government orders or the elites or all the secret societies will fall away, fall apart, and we souls will win and return to our true homes. So that's it, guys. Thanks a lot for hearing me.